At Hammerknock, we specialize in manufacturing high-precision pneumatic toggle presses with a capacity ranging from 250 kilograms to 3.5 tons, or any capacity as per customer requirement. Our machines are engineered for excellence and designed to meet the rigorous demands of modern manufacturing. Versatile applications. The Hammerknock toggle press is a versatile solution for various industrial applications, including precision crimping, ideal for wire crimping, and high-clarity flexible PCB crimping, specifically for 2.54 mm pins, male and female. Assembly and pressing, efficient for assembly pressing and riveting tasks. Connector solutions, specialized in connector pin pressing across diverse sectors. Hot staking riveting, extensively used for plastic parts, with metal part hot riveting, global reach, and industry expertise. We proudly serve a wide array of sectors, including electronics, aerospace, and the automobile industry. With the rapid growth of the electric vehicle (EV) market, our machines are increasingly being utilized for critical EV pin pressing applications. Our commitment to quality has allowed us to export our presses to a prestigious global clientele in countries such as North America, USA, and Canada, Middle East, Dubai, and Saudi Arabia, Europe, UK, and Belgium, Asia Pacific, Australia, and Thailand. Advanced features and safety. Our machines can be customized with various tooling options, such as pillar sets, to suit your specific needs. Operation is flexible and user-friendly, offering control options. Choose between a simple pneumatic foot switch or an advanced PLC control panel. Enhanced safety. The PLC system features a two-hand safety operation that is highly precise and tamper-proof. Smart automation. The panel includes digital counters and additional I/O ports, 3 inputs and 2 outputs, allowing customers to integrate their own custom automation into the press. Integration with load cell for precise reading and for checking OK and NOK products. Contact us. For more information or to discuss your specific application, please reach out to our team. Email: sales@hammerknock.com. marketing@hammerknock.com. Phone: +9 17777 040450 +9 224844848.